You start. I insist.
Giving up the advantage.
I don't want to hear any excuses when I win. Never thought about it before, but Zeni Hachiki is for gamblers, not mothers and children.
She learned the winter we were born. They needed money, and the local gambling den thought a proper lady like her would be harmless.
They were wrong.
She cleared them out.
Ha! Ha! Have you ever thought about having a family?
The path I'm on has no place for a child.
And when that path ends?
I don't know.
Atsu, there's something I've been meaning to tell you.
I didn't expect you to have company.
Who is this?
Oyuki, a friend. This is Jubei, my brother.
You grew up and became samurai.
I feel I would remember if we've met.
You knew me as the Kitsune.
Is she serious?
We crossed paths in Teshio Ridge. Oyuki helped me cut down the man who replaced her, Saito's spy master.
You invited a member of the Yotei 6 to our home.
She's not with them, not anymore.
You were willing to sacrifice anything and everyone to kill the Oni. How has this woman, who murdered our parents, earned the Ondio's mercy?
She saved my life.
That's not enough.
Jubei!
You're right. It's not enough. What I have taken from you cannot be given back. But what I can give to you is knowledge. Saito and his sons are gathering forces near the Oshima coast.
They're planning to attack Kasuma's my home.
We'll come with you.
No. It's hard enough for me to defend you to my clan. I will not defend her.
He needs time, Matsu.
He has until we reach the Oshima coast.